Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be taking you through some basic steps on how to create a PowerPoint presentation. So it's going to be some steps to how to create a PowerPoint presentation for those of you that are to be attending conferences and want to create a presentation. This is very important for you. So we are going to start by opening up a new PowerPoint. So I open up my new PowerPoint presentation. So we are going to click to add the first slide. So I click. So the first slide. So I'm going to be talking about a certain topic, which is drug abuse. So I'm going to be talking about drug abuse. So click to add the subtitles. For the subtitle, I'm going to be putting my name of the presenter. So I'm going to say presented by write my name. So then after, I also add my other details, for example my telephone number, I can also add my email account, as Nicholas Nicholas 15 So as you can see, I've added also my email account, and automatically that qualifies for my first PowerPoint slide. Then I can go to new slide. So here I'm going to choose a slide that I want to use. So I'm going to use a title slide, a title and content. So for this second slide, I'm going to put my presentation outline. So I'm going to put my presentation outline. So first I'm going to start with definition, basically a definition, and then next I have causes of drug abuse. I can just say causes. Then commonly talk of the commonly abused drugs. And then finally the effects plus also conclusion maybe. So that's my second slide. Then I can add on another slide, and basically it's going to be the same. It's a content slide. So for this slide, as we said in our outline, in our previous slide, so as we said in our previous slide, that our first presentation outline is definition. So in our third slide, we are going to put definition. Then we are going to define what is drug abuse. So basically, drug abuse is the act of using drugs drugs in a way that causes the body and basically that's my definition of drug abuse. So it's an act of using drugs in a way that causes harm to the body. So that's my third slide. Then I can add another slide. This slide will contain, go to the outline, it's going to contain causes of drug abuse. So I'm going to write causes drug abuse. Then some of the causes of drug abuse we have basically the first is peer influence. Then we have the second one can be stress. Maybe the third one can be because of maybe so the third one may be maybe mental health illness. And then it can also be due to family history. So those are the causes, my causes of drug abuse basically. Then I can add my other slide, and the new slide. So this slide, I go to my slide presentation outline. So the next slide should contain some of the most commonly abused drugs. So I'm going to write commonly abused drugs. Drugs. And so we have alcohol as the first one. So we have alcohol, then we have marijuana. We have cocaine. We also have cannabis. So those are some of the examples of commonly abused drugs. So I can add my next slide, which will have the effects. Some of the effects. I click on this slide. So this slide is going to be having effects. So first effect is death. So drug abuse can lead to death. And it can also cause self-neglect, family neglect. It can also cause diseases. So these are some of the core effects of drug abuse. So also my fifth slide is done. My sixth slide is done. Then I can go and add my last slide, which will have conclusion. So my next slide is going to be having a conclusion. Going to be having conclusion. In conclusion, I can basically say I can thank the congregation. Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you for attending this meeting. I would say. and then basically I can move on to designing my slide. So I can go to design and I can choose any template from the already existing templates. Maybe I can use this, any you can want, or you can even edit your own template. So I'm going to use this. Then you can also decide to add to insert some pictures in my PowerPoint presentation. So you can add some pictures. You can decide to add some pictures in my presentation to make it at least look good. So let me see if I can add some pictures to my presentation. So this is my presentation, so I can add transitions with a fade, push. So I'm going to add push, and here I can add maybe that, and here I can add cut, and then here I can add that, and finally 5 I can add that. Then for 6 I can also use cut, fade. Then animations, so basically we're done with our PowerPoint presentation. So you can check on the slideshow and see how it will look like. So this is our presentation. Okay. So as you can see, that's our PowerPoint slide. So finally guys, I want to thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Please like and comment for more YouTube videos.